Hi, I'm John Wainwright, the creator of MAXScript. Over the course of this presentation, I'm going to introduce MAXScript to you and hopefully get you to the point where you are comfortable developing and running scripts. We will see how MAXScript turns up in Max and go through some of the fundamentals of programming in MAXScript and look in detail at several scripts to see how they're put together and to give you a feeling for the kinds of tasks you can tackle in the scripter. In order to get through the material I want to cover, I'm going to assume that you have a reasonable working knowledge of 3D Studio Max and remember at least some of your high school math. But as this is an introductory tape, I won't assume any prior experience with scripting or programming. Okay, MAXScript is a scripting language. So what exactly is a scripting language? Well, it's usually an easy-to-learn programming language that is embedded in a big application. It's there primarily to provide an alternative way to drive the application by writing instructions down in text form instead of direct manipulation in the user interface. And usually it'll let you make custom enhancements to the application for project-specific tools and such. And MAXScript is all of these things. So instead of creating and selecting and twiddling things with the mouse, you write down the sequence of things you want the application to do in text form. Writing instructions down in scripts like this is particularly useful for tasks that you want to do over and over again, or that require precise placement, or that can be controlled by a mathematical formula, or perhaps by data from an external file. There may even be some tasks, say creating and adjusting and positioning hundreds or thousands of objects, that are impractical to do by hand, but are fairly trivial using a script. In this example, you see a few lines of script creating a randomized placement of several hundred trees along a winding road. The other main thing that a scripting language will do is let you customize and extend the host application. You can set up project-specific tools and make them available through new command panel rollups or dialogues or toolbars. The game project tools you see here are created by scripts, and all the buttons in them cause small scripts to run when you press them.